Hi guys, in this video I will tell you about London buses or London double-deckers. Also you will learn about color-coded bus stop signs and many more. London's iconic double-decker buses are a quick, convenient and cheap way to travel around the city, with plenty sightseeing opportunities along the way. London buses are all cashless, so you need an Oyster card, travel card or contactless payment card. At the moment of recording, buses fare is £1.50 and a day of bus-only travel will cost a maximum of £4.50. You can hop on unlimited buses for free within 1 hour of touching in for your first journey. Night buses run all night between the close of the tube and the start of daytime bus services. There are several different London tours by bus. Children under 11 years old can travel free on London buses and trams at any time unaccompanied by an adult. They do not need an Oyster card or a ticket. Children aged 11 to 15 travel free on buses with an 11 to 15 Oyster photo card. Without an Oyster card or travel card, they have to pay the full adult fare. Visitors can have a special discount added to an ordinary Oyster card at TfL's travel information centers. There are also concessions for London residents aged 16 to 18. London's bus road network covers the entire city with a 24-hour service. Paying your fare is very easy. Simply touch your Oyster or contactless payment card on the yellow card reader as you board the bus or show the driver your paper travel card. To avoid card clash, make sure to only touch one card on the yellow reader and to keep your other cards separate. If you don't have enough credit on your visitor Oyster card or Oyster card, you will be able to make one more journey on a bus before needing to top up. For more information about London bus fares, see the Transport for London website. In all buses, you have to hop in through the front door. The back door is for hop-off only. All buses are accessible for wheelchairs. Use the back door for this. Just wait for people to hop off and then the driver will close the door and will put the ramp if it is an automatic ramp. Otherwise, the driver will do it manually. There is a wheelchair or pram space available and wheelchair users have priority over this space. Usually seats on the front of the bus are for elderly people, for those with walking problems, pregnant ladies and for people with small children. And there are usually signs on these seats to help customers know where they are on the journey. Next stop information is displayed on the information screens and announced. When your stop is displayed and announced, please press the red button once and in good time. This lets the driver know you intend to get off. And now about closed bus stops. Sometimes some bus stops could be closed due to roadworks, marshes or other events. When a bus stop is closed, a yellow cover is placed over the sign at the stop and some stops will have information about where to go to catch your bus. A message informing your stop is closed will be displayed on the information screens on the bus and announcements will be made. You will also be informed if the bus is going to be diverted. Just speak to the driver if you require more information. If you do not have a travel card on your Oyster and you have paid for your journey on the bus but the bus driver unexpectedly announced about the road termination, then you can go to the bus driver and ask for a refund. He will give you a ticket to get on the next bus. Know your color-coded bus stop signs. Bus stops are as easy to spot as underground station signs, and they also include maps of the nearby area as well. If the sign background is white, the bus will stop automatically, but if the sign background is red, the bus driver will only stop via request, or more specifically, you will have to flag him down in order for him to stop for you. One of the most common rookie mistakes for travelers using a bus for the first time is to get on a bus that is going in the wrong direction. One way to avoid this is to check the list of stops on the sign, which is usually eye level. And if your stop is not listed, you will need to check the map on the bus stop if the opposite direction stop is not on the opposite side of the road. Many bus stops have multiple locations where buses stop. These are identified by letters. The letter on the stop will be found on the top of the stop sign. You can look at the letter of the bus stop you are standing at and then look at the map on the destination finder to see where the letter you want is located from where you are. Buses on each road usually run every 3 to 10 minutes, so you don't have to run after them. On TfL website you can check timetables, bus route information, and there is even a journey planner. It also provides updates on bus route changes due to maintenance work as well as timetable delays under the live travel news section. If you don't have access to the internet, many bus stops near the center of London have electronic timetables, so you can see how many minutes there are until the next bus arrives, as well as which direction the bus is heading in. Hopefully now you will be more confident using London buses and you will be able to see a lot of places of interest.